I know a couple of you are still having problems with Proctorio, so hopefully these steps will fix any problems, especially if you're still being asked for an access code when you click on the practice exam. This is just a shell course, so it doesn't look like that, but I'm using it as an example. So first of all, you want to make sure you are using Chrome as a browser and you are using a laptop or a desktop. Do not try to do your exams on a tablet. The next thing to do is go up to the three little dots and click on Settings. And you want to make sure your Chrome is updated. So down here on the left, it says About Chrome. Click on it, and it will automatically check for updates and download any updates you need. Once you've done that, it may ask you if it does update. Mine was already updated, but if you did update, it asks you to relaunch. Go ahead and relaunch it, but then come back here to Privacy and Security and click on Privacy and Security, and you're going to go to Clear Browsing Data, and you're going to clear your history, your cookies, and your cache. So click on that. Make sure this says all time, not the last hour or last week. Make sure it says all time, and these first three things are checked, and you're going to do clear data. Once you've done that, you can go back to Canvas and hit the refresh button, and it's going to ask you to log on again. So make sure you hit refresh and log back in, and then go to whatever course you're trying to take the exam in, and we're going to go to your required practice exam. Click on it and take the quiz. And this should be what comes up, not the access code. If it doesn't come up, it's probably because you don't have the Proctorio extension, and it should prompt you to download it. There might be over on the left, I don't have it here, but if you don't have it downloaded, there should be a secure exam proctor there that will let you download Proctorio, and from there refresh again and click on the exam again and take the step, go through the steps to do Proctorio. If you've done all of that and it's still asking you for an access code, then please email me and the distance learning department. It's dl@panola.edu, and tell them that you have gone through all of the troubleshooting process and it's still giving you an access code to required. I hope that helps. Thank you.